my name is Ashley Bontrager and I am founder and CEO of Ember Recreational Vehicles. Behind me, you're looking at the 171FB, one of our floor plans in our Overland series. Why Overland? Off-road, off-grid. We started with a stronger foundation that we're calling our Trailblazer chassis. Underneath, you'll see a truly trailing arm independent suspension with dual shocks and coil springs paired with Goodyear off-road tires to get you off the beaten path. We also have our fully composite build. We do a 5-sided laminated construction with aluminum frames, no wood in our build. We use Azdel composite materials on the inside and the outside. Our floor is made of a product called Transcore. Again, fully composite material, one piece, mildew, rot, mold, can't touch it. Solar, straight from the factory. So up top, we have a 190 watt panel standard along with a 1000 watt inverter. If you want to go off grid for longer, we will let you upgrade to our Max Solar package. That gives you 3 190 watt panels for a total of 570 watts. You get a 3000 watt inverter and 2 Battleborn lithium ion batteries with the option to add 1 or 2 more to the package as well. If you add all 4, that gives you 400 amp hours of battery power, which will allow you to run everything that is inside of this coach. So speaking of inside, why don't we go in and take a look? So we are inside of our 171FB. This is a couples coach. So you'll see up front we have a fixed bed. That is a queen, a true residential queen, 60 by 80 mattress there. There is storage underneath the bed. It lifts up on gas struts. You also get this 12-volt TV. And with it, behind it, it also opens up for more storage. There's a closet rod in there if you have any hanging clothes. In your kitchen, you have a 2-burner cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink, and a 12-volt, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. The sofa here does fold down. If you have an extra guest for the evening, they could sleep there. And then inside your bathroom, you have a shower, toilet, and sink, 3-piece bathroom for you. We have on board with us the Truma Combi Eco Plus water heater furnace combination. It is constant hot water for you, so you can shower off at the end of a long, adventurous day. And we included a shower miser as well, so that when you are heating up your water, you're not wasting any of that fresh water tank. And speaking of freshwater tank, we give you 55 gallons of freshwater storage on board with the Ember Overland series. Thank you for taking a tour of the 171FB. Again, I am Ashley Bontrager with Ember Recreational Vehicles. We are at the AT&T Stadium here with Funtown RV. The fun starts here.